Hello everyone, in this video we want to look at the extensions that you can install once you have a VM already deployed from some of the images that are available within Microsoft. So let me go back to the virtual machines blade, and I only have 3 different machines installed and all 3 of them are really Ubuntu machines. And what I want to do, say I want to make this machine more secure. uh, there are many different ways you can secure your virtual machine. You can uh, put them in a virtual net segregated from any other subnets. You can use NSG to allow or deny ports based on your business requirements. You can use a jump server to connect to that particular virtual machine. uh, on the top of it you can use all kinds of logging and stuff like that. One of the things that is recommended that you use some kind of malware in endpoint protection software that can come from Microsoft or some other vendor. So if you want to install something in your virtual machine, all you need to do is click on extensions, and you can see that this machine has only one extension installed, that is Linux Diagnostic. This one I like to install when I'm actually deploying the machine, so it's there. That's the reason. So if I want to add any other extensions, I can just click on this and it's actually going to the marketplace. So some of the popular endpoint product, their agent for cloud workload protection, that's available for the Linux distro. Stackify Retrace, I've never used that one. Monitorina, agent for Linux server. Sentinel 1. Sentinel is the tool where is a SIEM solution from Microsoft. The Linux solution, you can install that. Rapid 7, what they do the vulnerability management. You can install that one if you like. To inside VM Rapid vulnerability management solution on the Rapid Sign Inside platform. Get live monitoring and endpoint analytics and get confidence and clarity in your remediation practice. What are some other tools? Azure pipelines, GPU driver extension, network watcher agent. That's from Microsoft. Azure Network Watcher is a service that helps you monitor, diagnose, and gain insights to your network performance and health. This virtual machine extension enables you to capture network traffic and leverage other advanced functionalities provided by the Network Watcher service. Okay, and pretty much anytime you have a create button on it, and you will just go to the service, and for different type of service you have different configuration options. This one just have only one install extension. It looks like you just need to say OK in this one, and that would be all. And initializing deployment, and that extension will be deployed right in this machine. So go back and look at some other extensions in here while this is being deployed. Custom script, DynaTrace one agent. It's a full stack application performance monitoring using advanced artificial intelligence technology. It helps the DevOps teams to faster resolve problems and support operational decisions. So that's a pretty popular product these days. So you can use that one. You can use Cloud Secure, CloudM, and even backup. Okay. If you have a Windows machine, you probably have a different list of extensions that are available to you and that you can install. But pretty much anytime you go, and you will have something like that, and you will just go through. It will talk about what kind of subscription you need and stuff like that, and you pretty much you just click on create, and again, but like for this one, this is asking you for some configuration. Sometimes you need a license, customer secret key. Like to install this product, you gotta have some keys. You gotta have some subscription with this product to be able to install it to your machine. So that's kind of what I wanted to show you in this short video, how to install extensions. So pretty much you go to virtual machines, open up whichever virtual machine you want to install the extension. There's an extension blade out there. You just click on add and look at that. Now I have two different extensions that are deployed in this particular machine. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and share it with friends. Good luck with the exam. Thank you.